Pivot options. Welcome back. So I'm gonna share a strategy which will work very good. So first thing, I will share today's market from Nifty, and I will share how this strategy works. Okay. So first thing, if you see from here to here, there is a big rally happened, or maybe from here to here. There are only like two red candles, small candles, one red candle, small candle, and one small red candle, and there is a big red candle here. So our retailers will think that from here we can take PE side and it can come up to here or here maybe. So they'll think the trend has been reversed and they'll enter PE here and they'll be trapped. So this strategy I'm sharing it right now, and we will know this candle is not advising or not showing us to go and get into P. Instead, we can look for a C opportunity from here. So I'll tell you how. So this strategy name is called rally base rally. Okay? Simply, I'll tell you. So from here it rallied from here to here, and there is a small red candle here and there is a rally. So this is called rally base rally. Okay. So when there is a big red candle here, we will look left side if there is any support here. There is no support I can see as a retailer, but there is a red candle here in between all the greens. Do you see this? So we will mark it when there is a live market. Okay, we will mark it from high of this red candle to low of the candle. Alright, so see what happened exactly here. When there is a rally and there is a base and there is a rally. So whenever there is a red candle coming here, we will be cautious because there is a red candle and we marked this. So exactly you can see from here, there is a big red candle but there is no continuation, but it went upside. So this acts like a support. Okay. So in the same way, there is another strategy for PE side. So that is called drop base drop, and these two will work very good in the sideways market and also in the rally market as well when there is a retracement happens. And the other way, you can also check Fibonacci retracement from here to here, this red candle upside, see this red candle, and exactly touching the 0.236 level here, and it went up. So how we will know, how we'll get the confirmation that it will not go down after this big red candle is two confirmations. One is Fibonacci retracement. Second is there is a red candle we marked here already. Okay, and we can enter at this red green candle. See, the stop loss would be below this, and we can write this. However, the momentum is like slow, but you can get some easily 5 to 10 points here as a scalper. Okay, this is how it works, and I'll show you drop base drop in Bank Nifty. There is a example here, I kept it. See, from here there is a drop and there is a base, a green candle, and again there is a drop. Okay, this hammer candle will act like a resistance for the next time frame. See, let's see. Once the rally is missed, we missed this trade. So what we'll do for the retracement, we will mark this green candle from top to bottom. Okay, so we missed the trade, but we will see if there is a support taking and there is a retracement. When there is a retracement, we will see if the candles are touching this green candle, which is a base. I'm talking about drop, base, drop. Okay. So what happened here? it came down, it is retracing, exactly touching this candle and coming down. Again took support, went back, touched this level and gave the two red candles. So this is how it works. You need to go back and check all the back test, do the back test for this type of drop based drop and rally based rally. If you have any questions, you can comment on it. So this is the strategy I'm sharing it. Whenever you're confused until which retracement level it can go and come down, so this is the right opportunity. You can see, you can just mark this and you can have an idea from where the market can come down or go up like this. See, exactly touched, went up, again came back, touched and went back. So this is how it works. So this is the best one I can see the recent times I observed. So you can, if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. Subscribe, share and like. Thank you. We'll get back with a different strategy with CPR levels. See you again. Take care.